Want to grow your online presence this year? Here's how you can use Canva to level up your online presence in 2023. Canva isn't only known as the best graphic designing tool that entrepreneurs can use with little to no graphic designing skills. It's also great for building your online presence. With thousands of pre-made templates, it saves you a lot of time. Because here's what, these templates come ready for you to create your content for social media. Whether it's for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, whichever social media platform, you can create your content on Canva. These pre-made templates are perfect for your reels, your stories, your carousel posts, your static posts, whether you want to create a Facebook group and then create a Facebook header. Listen, the choice is endless in Canva, and these pre-made templates saves you a lot of time. I also design and create pre-made templates which I sell on my shop at Carey Digital. With these pre-made templates, I help overwhelmed and busy entrepreneurs to save a lot of time. Also, you can create your very own brand kit in Canva. So what is a brand kit? So a brand kit is pretty much a collection of all your brand elements. And so with this brand kit, you can pretty much put together your brand colors, your brand logo, your brand fonts, which means when you're creating your content, you already have everything in one place that you can easily create your content. So you can swap out colors, change the fonts, change layout, make it your own. Because whether you're using a pre-made template, if you really want your brand to be consistent and cohesive in terms of look and feel, it's great to have a brand kit. And so with the brand kit, you can swap out colors, fonts, and so on, right? So Canva is really great for that. Also, you can create the content, plan your content, and schedule your content with Canva. Yes, I mean, that's one of the best things I love about Canva, and one of the best ways I utilize Canva for myself and for my clients. So here's what. You can create your content in Canva using the pre-made templates and also using your brand kit, but you can plan your content. With planning your content, you can choose the events, holidays on which you want to publish your content, the time of day and everything, right? And then you can utilize Canva's feature to schedule your content to any social media platform of your choice. Again, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever the social media platform, you can literally do it right from Canva. By this point, I think you're saying, wait, Canva is literally the one-stop shop to build my brand online? Yes, it is. You can also, here's this one. This is a really good one, guys. You can also create your captions with Canva. So with one of Canva's newest features called the Magic Write, you can get Instagram captions or come up with captions using the Magic Write. So pretty much it is powered by AI, and you can ask it for, hey, prompt it for captions for your Instagram. So you can choose whatever the topic, the niche, or your target audience. You can use the Magic Write to prompt for captions, and it also saves you a lot of time. This is one of the newest features. It's also one of my favorite features that you definitely need to utilize if you want to save time as an entrepreneur who is growing your online presence. And I also want to mention, you can use Canva to create your custom designs. I'm talking about similar to how you have your pre-made templates. If you want to create from scratch or work with a graphic designer to create custom designs or content for your social media platform, you can also do that with Canva. Guys, Canva is a game changer. The way I'm talking, I'm sure you know I'm very passionate about Canva, and I love it because, for one, it saves me a lot of time and it makes me more effective in my efficient in my business. So you can check out all of these features by clicking the link in my description and just try all these tools. Let me know how you are utilizing Canva to build your online presence, whether it's on social media, your website, your blog. Let me know. I'd really love to hear how you are utilizing Canva in 2023 as an entrepreneur to grow your online presence. You can also click the link in my description to try Canva for free for 30 days. So pretty much you're going to try out some of these awesome features that I mentioned, like the content planner, the content scheduling tool, and even the Magic Write tool, free for 30 days, because you're going to get a chance to upgrade to Canva Pro. And trust me, once you upgrade, you're not going to want to go back. Guys, if you want more videos like this, give me a good thumbs up, comment below, and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.